Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a fruit. It is highly beneficial for humans and are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and contain antioxidants that help protect the body from inflammation and free radical damage. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pom. Gran. It. Pomegranate. Pomegranates also have anti-inflammatory properties, support heart health by improving cholesterol levels, and may help in lowering blood pressure. Additionally, they provide dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, and contain various vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. If you enjoyed learning about pomegranate, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.